Alright, spent a little time cleaning our mating surface. Still need to get in here and get a little bit more off. Ready to go after it with the roll lock. You can see there's some heavy pitting here on the water pump side of the timing cover. Not horrendous though, because it does not affect our sealing surface, so we're good there. The one item that we have here, let me wipe this down just for fun, just for funsies. One item we have here that's a bit of an issue is on the Pontiacs, you have two plates. Goes like that basically. These are clean, they're fresh out of the washer. The pitting on this is almost all the way through, and it's very fragile. And also it's part of where the gasket resides. So that would explain why we had schmutz in this side here on the old water pump. As that goes just like that. Just like that. But with the pitting, didn't really seal well with the gasket. That would allow water, air, schmutz to congregate in here, which would aid in the erosion of this. So, got a new one of these on the way. That's handled. And yeah, we'll go from there.